What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Yes, sir, man. Hit that subscription button, man. We got 74 subscribers. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So please be a help. Hit that subscribe button and help me reach my goal. Now, what we got here is a box. A box. This box came from Social Status. And this will be the second time I've ever hit on a dunk. It's a bittersweet feeling, I'm going to be honest with you, because I hit on this dunk, but I did not hit in my size, right? But, like I always say, if I can't get it, if my daughter can get it, or, you know what I'm saying, then I'm happy. So, like I said, bow, you know what I'm saying? Now, this box is dope. This box is super duper dope. The detail, it looks like to me, it looks like a cereal box, right? It looks like Reese's Pieces or something, right? Anyways, you got the Nike with the Social Status collab. It says all natural Nike. On this side, it says lift up here and lift up here. On this side, it says sell by fall 2021. Has an arrow pointing to the open. And then on this side, it has the box contents. Serving size, 1 pair. Amount per serving, 2 shoes. You see what I'm saying? It says all types of stuff. Eye stays, laces, main panel. I like it. I think it's cool. I think a lot of thought went into this box. Hopefully that's coming in clear. I wish I got them in my size, but I didn't. I really didn't. But like I said, this is the next best thing. So we're going to open up the box. Look at the paper. It got like stick figure kids drawn on it. You see that? Open up the paper. And then it comes with a second paper. These are fire. I did not know that this was the material used. I might have to go buy me a pair. Oh my God, these are fire. Wow. Wow. Now, bam. These are dope because when you buy these in kid sizes, it's actually a low. This is fire, man. This is super duper fire. The materials are premium. Premium materials. You guys see this? Can I get the light on it a little bit better? Premium materials, you guys. The toe box is like this soft felt, almost like the material they use for like a teddy bear or something like that. Got this pink Nike sign with like a gel on the inside. Like you could push that. It's soft. Come around the back, and I think this is a pink felt material like the Nike swoosh, and then an even more brown felt material underneath it. These are fire. I might have to get me a pair to match my daughter. You know what I mean? All right, let's finish it off. You come around the other side, and it has like a, almost kind of like a off-white style. It says ingredients, Nike sportswear, Social Status. You see that? Hope that's coming in clear. But as you can see, even as I get close on it, the material is premium, even for the kids. So I know in the men's sizes that super duper premium. So look at them on the inside. We got a Nike swoosh, and then it's a different color. It's like a I don't even know what color that is. It's like a lighter pink. And then you got like orange felt coming around the rim of the tongue. And the tongue's actually brown with brown rope laces, right? These are rope laces. Brown rope laces. You got your social status tag on the tongue. There you go. Kind of got I would say this is more cream. And then you got your baby blue on the very bottom. My daughter's about to be dipped, all right? My daughter is about to be dipped. These are fire. Like I said, man, normally on this channel, we unbox male or men's sizes or size 10s. But, you know, at the end of the day, oh wow, I didn't even know. It comes with spare laces. So this is the other shoe. Got a nice brown lace. You got a dark brown lace and a lighter brown lace. But everything is pretty much the same as you go around the shoe. You guys know how much I like the mini swoosh. I love a mini swoosh. That's why I really wanted these shoes. I had no idea from the pictures that the material was this. These are fire. I would pick these up. Look, I don't normally suggest and say, oh, I don't think you should sleep on these. I really genuinely do not think, for people that do resell, I don't really resell. I mean, there'll be one day where I get rid of that whole collection and keep only the shoes I want, but I'm not a reseller, right, per se. There will be one day, though, that I'll look at that collection and be like, I'm not wearing these shoes. They could go. With that being said, I think if you can get this at a good price, I would get it. Especially even if you don't like it and you kind of want to use it for trade bait or something of the sort later on or down the line. This shoe's fire. If I get a pair of these, it's gonna go straight to feet. I'll tell you that right now. Straight to feet. These are fire, though. And hopefully I do get a pair so I can compare the small size to the men's size, right? Man, these are dope, man. Honestly. I'm gonna give you guys one more good go around. It's not too much to say. I don't know how much these are going for kids or whatever, but man, these go both ways. So you can, for your son or for your daughter, these are fire. These are fire. Get you a pair. Yeah, this is the second dunk that I've hit on. First was the off-whites. And I actually hit on these on Social Status website, not on Nike sneakers. So, yeah. Well, this is the last go around. You guys, sub up to the channel. Sub up to the channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to hit that wow. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in to this channel. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my video. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.